Step into the perfect student accommodation at Sol at West Village in Davis for homely vibes and unbeatable campus convenience. Depending on the 1 to 4 bedroom apartment you choose, you can get a warm bed, dedicated study space, in-unit washer and dryer, and energy-efficient stainless steel appliances in your all-new modern kitchen. Get in a good workout in the fitness centre or a stretch in the yoga studio, then hit your books in the community workspace. Spend the evening on the volleyball court or in the clubhouse. Then wrap up with some barbecue by the fireplace or on the community lawn with friends. With on-site maintenance, community events and roommate matching, life here is super convenient. Just minutes from the University of California and Sacramento City College, you'll be perfectly placed for campus life. With buses from Tilia and Celadon, plus the local train nearby, getting around is effortless. Claim your spot at Sol at West Village in Davis today via amberstudent.com.